Jellyfin versus Stremio. Which media platform should you choose? Choosing the right media platform can make a big difference in how you stream, organize, and enjoy your content. Jellyfin and Stremio are two popular platforms, each designed with different priorities in mind. Jellyfin is a fully open source, self-hosted media server that manages movies, TV shows, music, and live TV. Stremio is a streaming-focused platform that allows users to aggregate content from multiple sources and stream directly without hosting their own server. This comparison breaks down the key features so you can decide which platform fits your needs. Jellyfin is a completely free, open-source media server that supports movies, TV shows, music, and live TV. It provides a web interface, mobile apps, and rich metadata support for organizing your media library. Jellyfin is perfect for users who want full control over their server and media content, with no subscription fees or locked features. Jellyfin also offers live TV and DVR support, plugin capabilities, transcoding for multiple devices, and multi-user access with customizable permissions. It's ideal for households or communities that want a complete self-hosted media server experience with maximum control over content. Stremio is a user-friendly streaming platform focused on aggregating content from multiple sources. It supports movies, TV shows, and web content, offering an easy-to-use interface and recommendations based on your viewing habits. Stremio doesn't require a self-hosted server, making it ideal for users who prefer instant streaming without technical setup. Stremio also provides add-ons to expand content sources, calendar tracking for upcoming releases, and cross-device synchronization. Its simplicity and plug-and-play nature make it perfect for users who want access to a wide range of content without the need to manage or host their own media library. Feature comparison. Jellyfin excels for users who want a fully self-hosted, open-source media server capable of managing movies, TV, music, and live TV. Stremio shines for users who want a lightweight, streaming-focused platform with aggregated content from multiple sources. Jellyfin is best for households or communities that want full control over their media library, with multi-user access and customization. Stremio is ideal for users who prioritize convenience, instant streaming, and easy access to a variety of content without hosting their own server. Final thoughts. If your priority is having a self-hosted, fully customizable media server with control over your content, Jellyfin is the stronger option. If your focus is on instant access to streaming content with minimal setup and aggregated sources, Stremio is the better choice. Your decision depends on whether you value control and self-hosting or convenience and aggregated